The library settle. In the library's fair domain, 'neath copula's light spilling into the air, stands steadfast a wooden settle crafted with care. Tim Stead's hands with skill did lovingly trace a seat of tales whispered in time's endless grace. Its grain a narrative of ancient descent, of woods and of waters where time is scarce spent. Each knot, each curve, a saga untold, in artisans' dreams its stories unfold. Within the library's sanctum where wisdom abides, the settle, a sentinel with quiet strides, it beckons the weary and seekers of lore to linger, to ponder, to seek evermore. O wooden settle in library's sacred domain, you bear the world's burdens without disdain. As pages softly turn and murmurs ascend, you witness life's journey from beginning to end.